well as strip A. The 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. The word which indicates how the word book grammatically functions in the meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. The first part of this is noun.
A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Example: Ram, James, Doctor, etc.
किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, जंतु, स्थान के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं.
The second part of speech, pronoun.
A pronoun is a word which used in place of a noun. Example: I, we, she, you, it is.
संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयोग होने वाले शब्द को सर्वनाम कहते हैं.
The third part of speech, adjective.
An adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. Example: green, beautiful, faithful.
जो शब्द संज्ञा या नाम के गुण या विशेषता बताते हैं विशेषण कहलाते हैं.
The fourth part of speech, verb.
A word which indicates an action or a state of noun or a pronoun is called a verb. Example: running, running.
जिस शब्द से संज्ञा सर्वनाम कार्य करना अवस्था या परिस्थिति का बोध हो उसे क्रिया कहते हैं.
The fifth part of speech, adverb.
An adverb is a word which indicates something about the verb. Example: sweetly, quickly, fastly.
जिन शब्द से क्रिया के बारे में जानकारी मिलती है उन्हें क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं.
The sixth part of speech, preposition.
A preposition is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to other words in a sentence. Example: on, in, with.
संबंध बोधक अव्यय वाक्य में संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के पहले आते हैं और उनका संबंध अन्य शब्दों से बताते हैं.
The seventh part of speech, conjunction.
A word which is used to join two words or sentence is known as a conjunction. Example: and, but, because.
वह शब्द जो दो शब्दों या वाक्यों को जोड़ता हुआ संयोजक शब्द कहलाता है.
The eighth part of speech, interjection.
The words used to express some certain feeling are now as interjection. Example: bro, hooray, yes.
जो शब्द मध्यस्थक में अचानक आए उद्गार को प्रदर्शित करे वह विस्मयसूचक अव्यय कहलाते हैं.